Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Now let's make some honey mustard fried chicken drumstick. So guys, first things first, you're gonna go ahead and wash your chicken. Then you're gonna season it with whatever season you have. I'm using Maggi all-purpose season, Cajun season, garlic powder, and paprika. Oh, and how could I forget black pepper? Now the main ingredient, your mustard. Now I'll be putting a generous amount of mustard on my drumstick. Then I'm going to use my hand and rub that in. So guys, the coating for my chicken, I'm using flour, Maggi all-purpose season, practically the same seasons that I used to season my drumstick, Cajun season, black pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Now guys, this step is self-explanatory, just go ahead and coat your drumstick with the flour. Then you're gonna go ahead and lay your drumsticks in your oil. Make sure your oil isn't that hot, actually on medium to high heat, or else your chicken is just gonna burn and the inside won't cook. Now guys, these were so crunchy. This is the first time I'm actually trying the mustard fried chicken. I've seen it all around on YouTube for years, and I'm like, oh my goodness, I have to try this because I'm such a lover of mustard, especially honey mustard. So I'm like, okay, I have to try this, and voila. But guys, I love you guys so much for stopping by. This is the finished product, and as I've said, this chicken was amazing. If you love mustard, you're gonna love this recipe, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye. Mwah.